मैले कार्यक्रमलाई रेकर्ड मोडमा पनि लादैछु। हामी 47 ओके ठ्याक्क टाइममा छौँ। सम्पूर्ण साथीहरूलाई नमस्कार। आज हामी विशेष यो आइएसए को प्रोग्रेस सेयरिङ सेसन हुँदैछ र यसमा हामी सम्पूर्ण साथीहरूको सहयोगले मात्र हामीले विद्यार्थीलाई हामीले कोअर्डिनेट गर्दै उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ विभिन्न प्रोजेक्टहरू गराउँदै त्यसको सबै डिजिटल रेकर्ड राखेर त्यो डिजिटल फाइल डिजिटल प्रोफाइल चाहिँ हामीले ब्रिटिस काउन्सिललाई बुझाउनु पर्ने भएको कारणले गर्दा आज हामी यो अकस्मात आइएसए प्रोजेक्ट्सको सेयरिङको बैठक बस्न गइरहेका छौँ र द सेलिब्रेसन कोएड स्कुल तथा कलेजले अहिले 2021 to 23 को लागि आइएसए जर्नीमा अहिले कम्पिटिसन गरिरहेको छ र पक्का पनि हामी निरन्तर रूपमा 2013 देखि 2017 सम्म र 2018 देखि 2020 सम्म हामीले पाइसकेका छौँ। 17 to 20 सम्म पाइसकेका छौँ भने अब 21 to 23 सम्मको लागि हामी आइएसए को लागि विद्यार्थीहरूलाई विभिन्न प्रोजेक्टमा कसरी हाल्दैछौँ, के कुरामा विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई हामीले प्रोजेक्टहरू गराउँछौँ, यो सबै डिजिटली भएको कारणले गर्दा डिजिटली स्मार्ट विद्यार्थीहरूलाई कसरी सेलेक्ट गर्ने, यी विविध विषयमा चाहिँ हामी आज छलफल गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। कार्यक्रम जम्मा हामीसँग 1 घण्टाको मात्र छ, रात परिसकेको छ र म विथआउट बिङ एनी डिले आई वुड लाइक टु रिक्वेस्ट इरिना म्याम टु सेयर अबाउट आइएसए प्रोजेक्ट्स। आफ्टर द्याट सर्टेनली यो अनलाइन टुल्स वेबसाइट्सको विषयमा छोटो प्रेजेन्टेसन छ जसमा चाहिँ हामीले कस्ता वेबसाइटहरू चाहिँ विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीलाई सिकाउन सक्छौँ। अब यो गुगल मिट, जुम अनि यो मेन्टिमिटर अनि पियर डेक विद्यार्थीलाई पुरानो भइसक्यो हैन, त्यसकारणले गर्दा नयाँ के दिन सकिन्छ त, नयाँ कुराहरू के छन् त भन्ने विषयमा पनि छोटो प्रेजेन्टेसन छ। त्यसपछि हामी भोट अफ एप्रिसिएसन सहित आजको कार्यक्रम सक्नेछौँ र म अब इरिना म्यामलाई आजको प्रस्तुति अगाडि बढाइदिनको लागि अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु।
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are safe and sound. So let me go to share my this one screen. I'll be sharing the screen. Okay. Is it visible?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. So I'll be using dual language, both Nepali and English, so that I'll also be comfortable and it will be comfortable for everybody. So this time we are doing 7 compulsory projects, and we are doing lots of other extra projects that as we are working with our partner school, and they are also working with us in our project, so sometimes we should also work with them on their project. So this vacation mostly we have done their project. Now it is time that they will be doing our project. So this is the first one, and it is Beat Plastic Pollution, and it is a collaborative project. Is my slide visible? Hello, am I audible?
Your laptop's screen is visible, but I doubt if the slides are visible. I don't think so.
Okay, I'll be sharing once again. Ramesh sir, is it visible now?
Yes, indeed.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So this is the first ISA project, that is Beat Plastic Pollution, and it is a collaborative project with our international partner. And this time we are working with a new international partner school, that is Haiti Bay School, and that is primary school till grade 7 they have, and working with secondary school as well as primary school. So this is the new one, and this project is ongoing, and there are major activities like orientation on waste and its types, and students will prepare note on waste produced in their home, and there will be like sharing from the local representative working on waste management, and will prepare, school will be preparing a virtual tour on the topic Bagmati River, and our student will be given the link to visit that, and they will visit and they will prepare some notes on that. And finally, by utilizing the different kinds of principles of waste management 4R, they will be utilizing at least one reuse, that student will plant some herbal plant in the plastic bottles of that cold drinks. So this is the overall plan, and here I have left to keep the teacher representative, as this is of class 6 and 7. So I guess your teacher will be Anju ma'am. Anju ma'am, Kritan sir, and Sarmila ma'am. So they will be the teacher representative working on this project. So till now, students have already done, like they have already prepared notes on waste produced in their home, and they have also learned about the principles of waste management. And today I have provided them a work on this one, reuse of the plastic bottles, and some of the photographs I have already received. And the left activity of the project is, first thing, like we started our project during this vacation, so we are left to provide orientation on each and every project. So first thing is, with the help of 3 teachers, we need to orient our student on this project overall. What does this project mean, and with which school we are doing, what kind of activities we'll be conducting, what they will be learning, or what will be the learning outcomes later on. And we have to prepare a virtual tour of Bagmati River. Then after that, after student will write the review and teachers will write the review, and after collecting all the documents, we'll close this project. It is like 50% work is done, 50% is left. So this is the second project, and it is discovering culture through dance, and it is yet to start. So we'll be discussing later on this project. And third project is cultural exchange through. Okay, once I'll see. Sorry, I won't be able to see that we has raised hand or somebody has posted in chat box, so I have gone through the screen. Is there anybody willing to talk? I guess Tasser raised hand. Tasser?
Irin ma'am, in the first project of virtual tour, there is even mentioned that they will be planting herbs. How in virtual tour, how will they plant herbs?
Once
They have to go physically, right?
This is activity 4, sir. Yes, sir. Activity 4 is virtual tour of Bagmati River. School will prepare the virtual tour. Student will observe that, and later on, it is the physical activity that they will be planting the herbal plant in their home, and they will send the videos or photographs
in
to
their
us.
homes. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
fine.
in their home. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, now another one is cultural exchange through later, that is painful, and we have been continuously working on this project since long. And last year we did with Folkestone School for Girls with the senior student, and that will be again continued, and this is with the junior and middle school student. So this here it is a collaborative project with the Haiti Bay Primary School, and student from 2 to 6 will be involved, and it is left to start. Like I have to say now, as now mostly the student, our student have joined our online classes, so I have to send the name list of the student. So I'll be asking with the respective teacher of the different grades, and that I'll forward. Then only it will start. Then only the project will start. So it is like our maybe December first week we have to write a first letter. It is planned on that way. So now let's go to, and teacher responsible are the teacher, whoever are responsible for the respective classes 2 to 6 will be supporting in this project. And another one is project 4, that is good and bad as I can decide, and it is mostly we have a focus on the girl student, but there will be indirect participation of boys as well, and it is also a collaborative project with the partner school, and it's ongoing like other project. We have provided homework during the vacation, and students have already prepared articles, news published on the topic, and they have also prepared charts and pictures, and this questionnaire is yet to prepare. And first thing is we have to orient our students on this project and have a chat session on safe touch and unsafe touch, as well as we also need to talk with them about the trend of being silent, why many or why many cases of violence or any kinds of abuse is being occurred, where it is linked with the silent of the victim or the person that they are suffering from. So we have to talk on this issue also. So this will be led by Renuka ma'am, Muna ma'am, and I'm also there, me myself will be working on this.
Irina ma'am,
Yes,
Irina ma'am,
yes.
can you write instead of N, can you write M in then, and them is different? Students will develop a habit of saying no when someone touched them. It's written and.
Oh,
I think
yeah,
this will be
yeah. Okay,
sent to the
okay.
council.
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, sure.
Just before I was copying from the action plan, mistakenly it became an. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Oh,
No
okay.
issue.
So, and a student on this project, they will be they will develop a habit of saying no when somebody touches them unnecessarily, and as well as they will also understand good touch and bad touch. And girls student will learn to maintain their physical hygiene, as well as they will be knowing more on the menstruation cycle and the safety measures there. And another one is they will be knowing in detail on the different kinds of changes during the adolescence. So this is the learning outcomes of this project, and it's ongoing. I have already shared on this. So some of the work is completed, and many of the work is left on this project. And another one is project 5, that is Hamro Kageshwari Manohara. This is Kageshwari Mela, and this is our local curriculum. It is 20% local curriculum, and it can be either for one single class or it can be for multi other classes. So I have kept for and it has to be conducted below 5 class. From 1 to 5 we can do in any of the classes. So I have kept 3, 4 and 5, and it's ongoing as well. I could not complete typing on this as well. I was working on another topic also. So on this, like our student were provided with the link to watch on YouTube about the Kageshwari Mela. They have already watched. They have made a review on it. They have also wrote about the good practices as well as the things to improve, or the practices that has to be improved on this Mela. And the thing is, most important thing is, as the ISA project was planned for the physical meet, or the when school used to run physically, we have planned on that basis. So the most important activity is, we have told, will be replicating the Kageshwari Mela in school, but that is not possible, and British Council has told us to talk to the student individually or make a group of the student practice many times, and we can do virtual Mela also, like some student will be carrying something, another doing another thing in sequential order we can do. So it is the most challenging thing on this project, so we have to work together on this. So as it is challenging as well as it is like a creative project, so Tassar is there to support, and Kritan is there, Anju ma'am, Vikas sir is there to support on this project. And there is another project that is our physical fitness, and it's all about the yoga, morning yoga practices. And I have last time talked with Indira ma'am also. Now school is planning to have a yoga, morning yoga classes for student as well as parents. So that our project is totally based on that. We have told that parents participation will be there to support the students. So this project also it is yet to start, but some of the activities they have already done, like preparing about the types of the physical exercises that can be done, as well as how the student can have a proper meal, or how they can have proper different kinds of yoga asanas. So on this they have already worked on this detail. So last time I kept on this will be will be working on 3 different topic: yoga, taekwondo and karate. But now we are shifting to yoga only. I have talked to BCSA and they have agreed on this also. If parents will be involved fully, then we can work on this. So students have also collected information related to the balanced diet and the nutrients that we need, as well as they have also prepared some booklet on the different kinds of food, healthy foods. After this, some other activities like practice of regular yoga or physical exercise is left to be done, and the students they have to prepare certain videos that is left after we provide them formal orientation on the project. Then we'll be moving forward on this project. Like I will stop sharing now. That much I have prepared. Now I'll be sharing verbally on other projects. So there is a project 7 on which it is to topic is celebrating diversity through food, and it is all about like a student will know about the importance of food. They will know about the proper consumption of the food, and they will reflect on their own role about the saving of food to like promote no hunger. And as like I forgot to mention from the beginning, like all our projects are linked with some of the sustainable development goals, as now British Council has more focused on the sustainable development goals. So we have also applied on this project. I have kept like a goal 2, it referred to goal 2, no hunger, goal 4, quality education, and goal 12, responsible consumption. So whatever food they are having, at least they have to be responsible on that, and they should be aware that there is they are not or there is some other people who are still not getting food, and they have to be responsible on what they are eating and how they are eating. And on this, like to add an international dimension, as it is a in school project, our school will be conducting itself and will be having international dimension on this. So our students have already like they have prepared similarities and differences about the Bhutanese food and Nepalese food. So they have watched certain video, they have prepared some recipe, and some students have really made good work, and they have sent good videos on how they prepare the foods. So these are the project activities that we have done so far. And here our like BCSA has like suggested us, at least our student will plant certain vegetables by themselves, and they will utilize that on the recipe that they are preparing, like maybe tomato or chili or coriander leaves, whatever they can at least plant on their kitchen garden, or maybe the recycled bottles that can be utilized. So that looks good as well. So, and major thing is whatever project we are doing, as we are doing virtually, there is a need of parents involvement, direct involvement, as they are mostly involved with the parents in their home. So BC has also told that there must be the role of the parents on each and every project that students are doing. So on this, like teacher responsible are here, like I need to change the name, so I'll be sending the name and topic in our online teachers group, because here, like last time whoever teacher were there, I have kept their name, but maybe they are not there in our this virtual pedagogy. So I'll be replacing the name by new teachers. And another one project is oral hygiene, and last time we really did a good orientation from and our dentist supported us on this, so great. UKG and one already have orientation, as well as they practice virtually, they practice the brushing technique, and they did it nicely also. They have already sent the worksheet from this oralgel.com. They have done this. This is also our activity. And one is there were parents involvement. It is clearly seen in video that is being recorded. We'll be sharing with the British Council later on. Here, this, as we are doing with pre-primary and grade 1, so the teacher responsible for pre-primary and grade 1 will be the responsible teacher on this project. So these are the major projects that we are doing this year, and there are lots of varieties of projects that we'll be doing. Whatever project our partner school will want on like time basis, will be supporting on that as well, so that will be our extra evidences that we have been conducting certain project with our partner school, and that is also a plus point for us on this pandemic situation. Also, we are still working, and we are trying to engage our students to have a global outlook on different aspects. So thank you so much. It was all about the ISA project.
Kiran ma'am, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure, sir.
About the food project, which you mentioned about one project earlier. Is it regarding only the collaboration of diversity into foods from different part of the world, or is it regarding even saving food, on saving life, and how to reduce hungerness in the world? Is it regarding that also? Or it's just about the recipes from different part of the world?
It's like mix, whatever you told, all things are included there, sir. Like how to conserve the food, or how to protect the food, or how to save the food, how we are eating, as well as the diversity on food, how people from one part of the world eat the same food in a different way, and the people in another part of the world, how they enjoy the same food in a different way. So it is all, everything is there, sir.
If it is regarding saving food, something can be very important in helping the children realize how to save food. I think many of us doesn't know about second-hand food. In the country Philippines, where the slum areas, there is a kind of a food called second-hand food, which they collect from the restaurants, whatever is thrown, like the KFC and so many. This day it is thrown into the garbages. They collect, they segregate from the garbage the foods. They wash these foods, they recycle it, and they eat it. This is the poor people's food. It shows the children how important is the food which we throw on the tables of different restaurants. And the half of the population, not half, let's say certain population of Philippines are living just because of those kind of second-hand food. So it's very important. You can find those links in the YouTube also. It will show you, there is a narrative in the YouTube. It shows you through the video how these people are surviving, and the children will really feel it to their heart and on saving food, because so many people are living with second-hand food. So it's really important if we can give them this message through the YouTube video. I think it is there in the YouTube video. You can check. I think it is called Peg Food or something it is called, but you can write it, type it, second-hand food in Philippines. It will show you the links. So it is, I think, very important tools to make the children understand that certain population in the world are living under second-hand food. I think this will be quite resourceful and helpful.
Yeah, thank you so much, Tasser. Yeah, really good idea. Our student will know actual mean of why we need to save the food, or we should not waste the food. Thank you so much, Tasser. I'll be I'll be adding that point on this as well. And like there are many activities that I planned or we planned physically that has to be changed into the virtual mode of this learning and teaching pedagogy. So I'm changing it as well. I'll be sharing with you all in coming days as also.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
One more thing.
Okay, that's
sir.
it.
Ma'am, during this era of pandemic, most of the classes are being run through the digital class. So aren't they kind of a project which says that like a kind of, a day with a policeman? I'm planning to invite a traffic policeman in one of my classes session to take a traffic awareness program. We can do we can shoot the videos of those, and then we can even the other partner school might also be able to do this. It's quite logical to invite policemen into your classroom through the digital device, and then the children learning about it, just to make like a real classroom. If the projects are decided, well and fine. If the projects have not been decided and yet to decide, I think they will also like the idea of inviting policemen into your class and then sharing the ideas and letting the children know how important those departments are.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, but like in the compulsory project, we are not allowed to change the topic. So we'll be working on the topic that we have sent to BC, but we can have lots and lots of extra projects that will be supporting all the compulsory projects.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yes, that was a wonderful feedback, like a policeman into classroom and so many other activities also we can do that. We can, why not to work in EC and CC activities. Like one day we have decided now new routine will be coming within this week. So during the implementation of new routine, obviously like whatever idea you have given, and might be other colleagues also, they have some ideas. We will be, I think, implementing that ideas. Thank you so much, Thai sir, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Rina ma'am, for sharing about the project works that are going on digitally for the ISC journey for 2021 to 2023 at the Celebration Kuwait School. So our physical fitness, there we will be demonstrating yoga. Our Kageshwari Manora, that is local curriculum, we will be carrying on. Culture accents, good and bad touch, discovering culture through dance, celebrating diversity of food. So many projects are there which are already submitted to British Council, and other further projects can be obviously carried on our EC and CC activities. Thank you very much. म अब सबै साथीहरुलाई एकछिन चाहिँ भिडियो अन गर्दिनु होला। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो एभिडेन्स भएको कारणले यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले ब्रिटिश काउन्सिलमा कसरी गर्यो तिमीहरुले भन्दाखेरि हो यसरी गर्यौं भन्ने तरिकाको हामीले रेस्पोन्स देखाउनु पर्ने भएको कारणले आई वुड लाइक टु रिक्वेस्ट 1 मिनेट अन्जु म्यामको मैले प्रब्लम देखिसकेको छु। अरु साथीहरुले 1 मिनेटलाई खोल्दिनु होला सो दैट आई क्यान टेक एन स्क्रिनशट सो दैट हाम्रो चाहिँ मुनि आईएससी प्रोग्रेस शेयरिङ सेसन भन्ने डेट सहित टाइम सहित आउँछ। यसले हामीलाई स्ट्रङ एभिडेन्स दिन्छ यो ब्रिटिश काउन्सिलमा। सो आई वुड लाइक टु रिक्वेस्ट एभ्रीवन प्लिज विथ स्माइल हैन, स्माइल फेस। Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Kirtan sir, Divakar sir, Gyanan sir, thank you very much. Mona ma'am, धन्यवाद। Brinda Basant ma'am, thank you so much. Mona ma'am कुन देखिरहेछ? Okay. Murai sir, हजुर, Lalita ma'am, Babita ma'am, Radhika ma'am, please. एकचोटी प्लिज। किशन सर अलिकति तपाईको फेस देखाइदिनु होला। किशन सर को माथि मात्र देखिया छ। ओके। ल, मुरारी सर को कस्तो राम्रो आएको छ। भेरी गुड। थ्यांक यू सर। ओके, ल मैले विश्वास सर एक्चुअली ओके मोबाइल नहल्लाइकन राख्दिनु होला, मैले फोटो खिच्न खोजिरहेको छु। मुरारी सर प्लिज हजुरको पनि। ललिता म्याम, मुरारी सर माथि देखिया छ, अलिकति फेस देखाइदिनु होला। यो चाहिँ आईएससी जर्नीको पिक्चर एभिडेन्स प्रुफ हो यो। ललिता म्याम मिले हैन? ओके
सर इट इज अन बट
ल भयो आछ म्याम, तपाईको आछ म्याम, ठीक छ, यतिकै राख्नु होला। मुरारी सर हजुरको अलिकति फेस मात्र देखाइदिँदा पुग्छ, मैले लिइहालेँ स्क्रिनशट। थ्यांक यू भेरी मच। सबैजना स्माइल, सबैजनाको प्लिज विथ नेम, सबैजनाको नाम सहित तल डिस्प्ले सहित आएको छ। धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद सबै साथीहरुलाई। यो म व्हाट्सएपमा पनि पठाइदिन्छु। थ्यांक यू सो मच। नाउ इफ यु आर नट कम्फर्टेबल टु अन भिडियोज यु क्यान अफ नाउ योर भिडियोज। र एक्चुअली दुवै हातलाई माथि सारेर एकचोटि हामी अब अर्को सेसनमा शिफ्ट हुँदैछौँ, त्यसकारणले हामी आफ्नो बडीलाई रिफ्रेस पारौँ। लामो गहिरो सास। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच। ल अब म हाम्रो जम्मा 20 मिनट्स बाँकी छ हामीसँग र यो 20 मिनट्सको टाइममा हाम्रो वेबसाइट्समा के कुराहरू अथवा अनलाइन टुल्सहरू अझै हामीले जुन पुरानो मोडलमा मेन्टिमिटर गुगल यो पियर डेक आदि इत्यादि पुराना भइसके, अब नयाँ प्रविधिले अझै के गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने विषयमा इरिना म्यामले प्रेजेन्टेसन तयार गर्नु भएको छ। सो आई वुड लाइक टु रिक्वेस्ट इरिना म्याम। अनि साथीहरूलाई चाहिँ यो सबैजनालाई पिडिएफ फाइल आउँछ र तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ यसको स्क्रिनसट पनि लिनु होला, के पाइँदो रहेछ भनेर पछि चाहिँ यहाँहरूले खोज्न सक्नुहुनेछ। र यो पहिलो सेसन आइएसए को मैले स्टप गर्छु रेकर्डिङ र म दोस्रो सेसनमा